Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here with Bearable Traders, here to do my recap. I decided to do a recap today because I had a mediocre day. I was not in the zone, and I have shared days where I've had max loss. I've shared days where I had great trades. Well, today I struggled to feel like I was in the flow with the market. So I took a couple trades and then I decided to shut my platform down and go enjoy the rest of my day, because some days you just have to accept that you're not in the flow with the market. And so SoFi was on my list this morning. It had gapped down, it had great volume, and the price action was pretty smooth pre-market. And so let me just go ahead and tell you, I don't typically love to trade stocks this price. I like to trade higher price stocks, so that may have affected my psychology this morning. And also, I broke a rule, and that rule was trading in the first 5 minutes. And so as soon as I took a trade, I immediately exited my position because I was breaking a rule. And I felt this stock was very weak and it was going to lose the VWAP. And it was losing this 1522 level that I had marked from the daily. And so I took a short position. It was right after this hammer doji on the 1 minute. And I knew immediately it wasn't ready to break this level. So I got out. Plus, I was breaking a rule. So then I waited for the first 5 minute candle to close. And as you can see right here, it closed as a nice bear candle, large wick to the top side. It closed below the VWAP, which is this blue line on my 5 minute chart, and at the 1522 level that I had marked from the daily. So the following 5 minute candle, I was watching the price action. It was breaking through the 1522 level and making a new low. So I took a short position. My stop was right at the 9 moving average on the 1 minute chart, which is this green line. I took a very quick 25% partial here, and the rest came and stopped me out at break even. I did not like the price action on this. It did not make me feel good. So I did not re-enter, and I decided to move on. I was not willing to accept the risk on this trade, so I knew that it was not meant for me to trade it any longer. And my next trade was on Disney. Disney was also on my main watch list. It had gapped up. It was had nice price action pre-market and also pretty good volume. And right when this opened, it looked weak. I saw the 5 minute candle, this bear candle looked really nice. Had a large wick to the top side. Yes, there was a small wick to the bottom side, but the body was larger. So I started watching it, but then it became kind of a mess. Chopping right all along the VWAP. It had broken through S3 and just chopping around the VWAP. And you also have this daily level right here that I had marked, this 185. So I was kind of waiting on it to settle down to see which direction it was going to go. And I had a short bias on this because of the open and because it lost S3 and the VWAP and this first 5 minute candle. So as I was watching it, I kind of saw a mini head and shoulders set up here on the 1 minute chart. Here you have the head, the left shoulder, and the right shoulder. And it was trying to push up through the VWAP. And when it lost it, I waited for an opportunity to go short. I didn't really love the price action around the VWAP prior to when I entered, but when I entered, I felt like it was going to lose it. So I took a small position right here when it made a new 5 minute low, and it lost S3. I was really thinking that it was going to break through the low of the day at this point. and my stop loss was right up here above the right shoulder. So risk to reward, it wasn't that great, but I took kind of a starter position, and then I partialed 25% here, and then my plan was to add at the breakout, which is what I thought was doing, and then I was stopped out at break even, and then after it closed, this 5-minute candle closed very bearish towards the low of the day. When it made a pullback, I took a short position here and then partialed on the way down. And then after this, this is when I decided I really wasn't in the frame of mind to be taking any more trades. I felt like I managed these trades kind of poorly. So I decided to shut my platform down, like I said. I hope you all had a great day, and I hope you have a good weekend. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and never hesitate to take the day off if you feel like you are not in the right headspace to be trading that day. I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.